What if I told you that you can start speaking English confidently in just 30 days? Even if you're a complete beginner? Yes, you heard that right. You don't need to memorize 10,000 words. You don't need perfect grammar. And you definitely don't need to live in an English-speaking country. All you need is the right method, and you're in the right place. How to practice English every day and speak fast and confidently. 10 easy tips for beginners. Learning English can feel overwhelming at the beginning. Many beginners study grammar for months, memorize long vocabulary lists, and watch countless videos, yet when it is time to speak, they freeze. Their mind goes blank, their heart beats faster, and the words simply refuse to come out. If this sounds familiar, don't worry. You are not alone. Speaking confidently and fluently is not about talent. It is about daily practice, smart techniques, and consistency. The good news is this. You do not need to study for 5 hours a day. You do not need expensive courses. You do not need to live in an English-speaking country. What you really need is a simple daily system that trains your brain to think in English and trains your mouth to speak naturally. Let's explore practical and powerful ways to practice English every day and start speaking confidently and faster. Practice every day, even for 20 minutes. Consistency is more important than intensity. Studying 2 hours once a week will not help you as much as practicing 20 to 30 minutes every single day. Language learning is like going to the gym. Small daily effort builds strong results over time. Set a fixed time each day. Morning before work. Evening before sleep. During lunch break. Choose a time and protect it. Make English part of your routine.
Use the shadowing technique.
One of the most powerful methods for improving speaking is the shadowing method. This technique is widely used in language training and recommended by experts like linguist Stephen Krashen, who emphasizes the importance of listening input in language acquisition. Shadowing is simple. Play a short audio, 1 to 2 minutes. Listen carefully. Repeat immediately with the speaker. Try to copy pronunciation, rhythm, and emotion. This method improves pronunciation, speed, listening skills. Natural sentence rhythm. If you practice shadowing daily, your speaking speed will improve naturally without forcing it. Learn sentences, not just words. Many beginners memorize vocabulary lists. But knowing a word does not mean you can use it in conversation. Instead of learning, hungry. Learn, I'm really hungry right now. When you learn full sentences, you automatically learn. Grammar, word order, real usage, natural pronunciation. Your brain starts recognizing patterns. Over time, you begin creating your own sentences faster. Talk to yourself in English. This may sound strange, but it works. When you are walking, driving, or cooking, describe what you are doing. I'm preparing dinner. I need to finish my project. Today was a busy day. This simple habit trains your brain to think in English instead of translating from your native language. At first, it will feel slow. After a few weeks, you will notice your thoughts forming more quickly. Record yourself speaking. Take your phone. Record yourself speaking for 1 minute about any topic. Your day, your goals, your hobbies, a movie you watched. Listen to the recording. Notice where you hesitate, words you repeat, pronunciation mistakes. Do this daily. After 2 weeks, compare your old recordings. The improvement will surprise you. Recording yourself builds awareness and confidence. Listen more than you speak. Before you speak well, you must hear English many times. Your brain needs exposure to natural speech. Try to listen every day. Short podcasts, YouTube conversations, simple news, audiobooks. Apps like Duolingo can help with daily vocabulary practice, while pronunciation apps like Elsa Speak can help improve your accent and clarity. The more you listen, the more natural your speaking becomes.
Focus on clarity before speed.
Many learners want to speak fast, but speed without clarity creates confusion. First, focus on clear pronunciation, complete sentences, smooth rhythm. Speed will come naturally with practice. Even native speakers prioritize clarity over speed in professional communication.
Stop being afraid of mistakes.
This is the biggest obstacle for beginners. Mistakes are not proof that you are bad at English. They are proof that you are learning. Every fluent English speaker once made beginner mistakes. Confidence is not something you wait for. Confidence grows from action. The more you speak, the less fear you feel. Remember, communication is more important than perfection. Here is a practical daily routine. 10 minutes, listening.
10 minutes, shadowing.
5 minutes, talking to yourself. This small system trains listening, speaking, and confidence at the same time. If you follow this plan for 1 month, your improvement will be clear. 10. Change your environment to English. Make English part of your daily life. Change your phone language to English. Follow English pages on social media. Watch short videos with subtitles. Think in English whenever possible. Your environment influences your progress. Surround yourself with English and your brain will adapt. Final thoughts. Speaking English confidently and fast is not about intelligence. It is about repetition, exposure, and courage. You do not need perfect grammar to communicate. You need practice. Daily practice builds automatic responses. Automatic responses create speed. Speed creates confidence. Start small. Stay consistent. Accept mistakes. Trust the process. After 30 days of focused daily practice, you will not be the same speaker you are today. The key is simple. Speak every day, even if it feels uncomfortable at first. Progress begins outside your comfort zone.